In this video, I'm going to give you some instruction about prompt engineering because when you're working with AI, prompt engineering is really important. Prompt engineering is the art of working with AI, basically. Now I know everyone is talking about context engineering, but that's the next level. When you're new, so prompt engineering is the first step. Once you master that, we provide more aspect to our AI tools and AI solution, such as memory, the RAG system, and for example, short memory, long-term memory, and so on, and to make our AI agent smarter with providing more context to that. So I will discuss around that later on in the advanced section. So, but at this stage, we go through the simple prompt engineering. For prompt engineering, now I'm going to share block summarizer example that how actually that prompt is implemented and what are the steps of a right prompt engineering. Okay. If you look at this example, the block summarizer AI agent, we provide a specific prompt here. A good prompt is a prompt that provides a concise and a structured instruction for the AI. You just give a role to the AI. So you will say that you are a blog summarizer or you are assistant for SEO, you are a trend analyzer, and so on. You give a specific role to the AI and then give the task. So what this AI is going to do. So here I'm asking to fetch the content from the URL that is given. Then we specify the output that it needs to generate, the format of the output that helps AI to understand what it does and what it needs to create. And then we specify some rules, a specific instruction or limitation. For example, don't use email or in a specific condition. Or for example, we're saying that if the page is non-text, here, for example, is a PDF or image, still give a high level summary of the content. So we provide some specific context. For example, we limited the summary to 120 words. So we provide a limitation and some rules for AI to provide that output within that rules. And that's really important because help us to get a right outcome from AI. It's best to not restrict it too much, but providing some instruction help AI to do a lot better, generate a more relevant content for us once it has the right instruction. Now let's recap. For prompt engineering, first thing is really important to define a clear role and task for the AI agent or for the AI. Then set a clear boundaries about what it needs to do. Then provide a structured format for the output. Define that to get the most relevant output from AI. Then if you want to have a chain of instruction, provide that within a specific rules and also provide examples for AI if it's needed. That helps to get the right outcome from AI. Hope you find it helpful. If you have any issue with your prompting, put it in the community. We help you to generate the right prompt for your workflow. Good luck.